Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial, we will be signing up to a Zoom account. Zoom is an American communication technology company headquartered in California. It is used for teleconferencing, telecommuting, distance education, and social relations. To sign up to a Zoom account, first download the app from the Play Store. After it is done, click it Open. You'll see a sign up and sign in option. Since we are signing up today, tap on Sign Up. For verification, you'll need to enter your date of birth. After it is done, tap on Set. Now you'll be asked your email ID. Fill in the email ID, type down your first name, last name, and click on Sign Up. Now a verification mail has been sent to your email. Go check the email, open the message, and check the mail out and click on Activate Account. After that, answer to the question whether it is a yes or no. No, continue. After confirmation, you're asked to type a password. While creating a password, certain requirements should meet, which is listed below. Create a password according to the criteria and confirm password by retyping it again. And click Continue. In the next page, you can invite your colleagues if you want to. Fill in the names in it if you wish. You can even add another email here. Now, click on I'm not a robot, and you can either invite your friends or you can skip this step for now. Now you'll see your personal meeting URL over there. Below that, you'll see Start Meeting Now button. You can go to your account and go to the app. After that pop up, and that is done, guys. You'll need to sign in order to see if you have an account. Type in your email ID, type in your password, and click the sign in button. Then you are in. That is all you need to do in order to create a new Zoom account. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more updates from us. I'll be back with another tutorial video. Till then, goodbye.